What is going on, guys? Black Computer Tech Guy here, back with a follow-up video to the unboxing of both my Arctic Freeze AIO as well as my graphics card, my 9070 XT. So the reason why I didn't make a video of me putting these in is because I haven't done one of these in like a while, and I didn't really want to spend a lot of time having to kind of edit, cut out, and then re-put stuff in. So it was just easy for me just to figure out how to put this all together and then make a follow-up video, which is what I'm doing now. So for those of you that don't know, I actually replaced my brother's 7900 XT, which is the graphics card that I was borrowing while mine was an RMA, and so I decided to get a newer graphics card, in which case the 97 XTs were out, and so I bought the 12 or the 16 gig version, not the 8 gig version. And unfortunately, because of that and doing that, it is a smaller graphics card compared to my 7900 XT, so I actually had to buy a AIO and replace the air cooler that I had in there originally, which was my Be Quiet Dark World 5. And with that being said, I ran into some issues, stuff that I did not know were present at the time. So the 7900 XT only comes with just a 2 8-pin connector, and this particular version of the 9070 from Gigabyte actually came with a 3-pin 3/8-pin connector, which I did not know that at the time when I bought it. And if I did know that, I could have replaced it with the XFX version of this with the 9070 XT, but I decided to keep it, even though I was well within the return limits to do that, but I decided to keep it anyway. And so it sits here. It works perfectly fine. It fits perfectly fine in the height Y60, or if you have the height Y70, this graphics card will fit in there. Just keep in mind, it is a shorter graphics card. Now, when it comes to the AIO, unfortunately, when it comes to the Arctic Freeze, this does not actually fit inside a height Y60 or 70 case. Now, I don't know about the other cases that height makes, but these two particular ones, it will not fit. I was reading some reviews on it, and I just assumed that when people said they couldn't put it up here, that they just probably were putting it in either wrong, or they were trying to do a push and pull configuration. But when I tried to actually place this, and this is the 280 Pro version, so it's not the 360, it's the 280. Unfortunately, the fan or the radiator will not fit because it is a 37 millimeter thick radiator. Now, obviously, if you look in the height website, it does recommend that you can go up to a 30 millimeter thick one, but the radiator for the Arctic Freeze is actually 37, so it is quite thicker than when you actually first get it, which again is perfectly fine because I was going to side mount it anyway and keep the fans up here anyway. But it would have been interesting if I could have placed it up here. That is, me would have had a 280 here, and then I would have been able to put another fan there. But because the radiator is so long and thick, I don't believe that even that would have worked. So if you're wondering, will this fit side mounted, which yes, it will if you're doing that. But if you're doing a 360, unfortunately, I don't believe a 360 will fit on the side. I believe it says in the height website that's 140 to a 280. I believe is what you can fit a 360. Unfortunately, if you want that and you want it in the top or side mounted, it unfortunately would have to be with a different brand. So this is the fan, the radiator right here. So it's pretty thick. This is the back piece of the case. This is where the radiator ends and then the fans start. So that would not have been able to fit in the top mount because, as you can see here, that is as thick as the top is. So with a 37 millimeter, it would not be able to fit, and with the fans, it would have sat too low, and I believe that the RAM would have been in the way of the fan. So side mounting was the only option, and I have this in a intake, not an exhaust. It just didn't seem like that makes sense, and I didn't want to do a push and pull from the side, because to me, I just think that this seems kind of just weird. But I have this in intake, and I am running the 9800X3D on this build, so it works perfectly fine. Actually, the temperatures are about 5 to 6 degrees cooler with this. So let me bring my camera back around here. So the only issue in terms of problems that I really encountered was just the fact that, unfortunately, that the radiator would not fit on the top. But other than that, it works perfectly fine. I don't have any issues with it whatsoever. Mostly it was just figuring out the cords once I got it in there. So as I said before previously, that this runs a 3/8 pin setup as opposed to a 2. I could have replaced this with the same XFX Speedster version, but the 9070 XT, but I decided to keep this one instead. And again, it works perfectly fine. So I'm still running the same amount of fans. Prior to this, I was running 8 fans. So I have 3 of the 120 Fantex T30s here, and then I replaced the height case fan with the T30 here, so that's 4 fans there. And then on the bottom, I replaced the ones that came with the height with the Noctua 140, so that's 240 right there for the bottom ones. And then obviously when it comes to the radiator, I have the 280 fans, so it works perfectly fine. Again, it keeps it much cooler, and with the fan right there, obviously cable management wise, I think it looks fine to me. The tubes and the way it's situated is perfectly fine. These are some pretty stiff tubes, so I don't think I have to worry about too much about anything leaking or getting into the tubes and causing any issues. Now obviously when it comes to cable management, yeah, it's not the best. I could go with another black and white cable sleeve just like I have for this one, but I'd rather just not want to mess with it. I think I'm just going to keep it as is. So that's all that I got for you guys. Just an update on the case and the AIO cooler as well as the graphics card. Now again, if you have the height Y60 or 70 and you want to use the Arctic Freeze Pro, whether it's the 360 or the 280, I believe that you cannot use the 360 in this case. You can do the 140 or the 280, but if you want to use that in this, it would have to be side mounted. Otherwise, if you do want to top mount it, you would have to go with a different brand. Other than that, that's all that I got for you guys. I want to thank everybody for watching. Again, if you're new to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss content when I drop it. And again, I also will have a link down below if you want to take a look at the unboxing of both my liquid cooler as well as the graphics card. And yep, see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week.